Hey, welcome guys. In this video, I'm doing a review of the Lenovo Smart Display. So this is basically a Google Assistant speaker with a touchscreen display. It doesn't have Android inside of it, but it's powered by Android Things as the OS. This means there's no access to the Play Store or downloadable apps. The processor inside is an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 624 designed to be used with home hub platforms. It also has 2 GB of RAM and 4 GB of internal storage. Now there are actually two versions of this smart display. One has a 10-inch 1080p screen, and the other one that I have here is an 8-inch with a 720p screen, which might not sound like a lot nowadays, but actually it looks great since the screen is quite small compared to a TV. There's a lot of pixels packed into a small space. The colors look great, and for the ambient standby mode, you can have it display the time, pictures chosen by Google according to certain categories, or certain albums of yours from your Google Photos account. It gets internet only through Wi-Fi, which supports 802.11ac. Now the 8-inch version is available with a gray back, whereas the 10-inch version has a bamboo backing, which doesn't make sense since no one's really going to look at the back, and the front of both versions look exactly the same. It's also a little disappointing that the bottom doesn't have mounting holes, as I'm sure a lot of people, including myself, will want to place this in their kitchen. And what I mean by that, to save counter space, is that it could have been flipped upside down, so it could be hanging from your floating kitchen cabinets. Unfortunately, you can't do that. At the top is where the microphones are placed, as well as the switch to mute the microphones, and the switch to close the camera shutter, which is actually powered by a 5-megapixel camera, which only supports Google Duo video calling for now, but it's also through video calling where you can switch the device over to portrait mode. Since it's powered by Google Assistant, it has the ability to communicate with other smart home products such as Philips Hue, which is great. Turn the computer lights purple.
You got it, changing the computer lights to purple.
This device is great in helping me kickstart my day and what to expect. Tell me about my day.
Good afternoon, Sook. I hope your day is going well. The time is 12:46 p.m. Right now in Brampton it's 28 and sunny.
It's also great to help in the kitchen. Show me a recipe on how to make pulled pork.
Playing how to make pulled pork on YouTube.
Show me a recipe on apple pie.
Okay, playing how to make apple pie recipe easy on YouTube.
Or if I just feel like jamming, you can always have it play something from your Spotify or Google Music account. Although I have noticed that sometimes Spotify does crash here and there. I'm not sure if that's a Spotify problem or a Google Assistant issue. Play some rap music.
Alright, here's the Spotify playlist called I Love My 90s Hip Hop. Sorry, something went wrong. When you're ready, give it another try.
Since it's powered by Google Assistant, it has all the fun fact features. How much does the moon weigh?
On the website Quora.com, they say, the moon is in freefall, in orbit, so it doesn't weigh anything. If it were placed on the surface of the Earth, it would weigh about 7.3.
You can also do the opposite of serious facts and just play a game. Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, shoot.
Paper.
Scissors. Point for me. Right now I'm leading 1-0.
Both models come with a single speaker built inside, as well as 2 passive tweeters. To give you a sound sample, I'll play it on max volume with the mic about 3 feet away. Remote control feels just okay in the hand, but is somewhat flat. The big plus is that all the buttons can be easily reached with your thumb. Also note that there's a button at the top to act. One neat thing about it is that it does have limited Chromecast functionality. For example, I can't project from Netflix from my phone, but it works fine with Spotify, VLC player, and YouTube, for example. I found this to be a truly great device. Having Google Home Assistant with a screen is fantastic. I mean, you can do that with your cell phone or tablet, but having it as a smart home assistant at home just ready there for helping you to cook your favorite recipe or whatever it may be is just so convenient. Overall, this is a great device, and I expect it to be pushed even better and better as Google improves their AI over time. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my social links in the video description. If that like button does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.